Hello everyone, welcome to the Valor channel. Today I'll show you how to create an enchantment room. As you understand, the purpose of an enchantment room is to increase the power of your enchantment table. To enhance your enchantment table's power, we'll need the table itself. Let's say I'll have our enchantment room right here. For this, we need to enter. We need the enchantment table itself and bookshelves, shelves with books. If I just place the enchantment table here, as you can see, I'll only get basic enchantments. That means only level 5 or 6 enchantments. To increase power, we take bookshelves and place them all around it. Each bookshelf will enhance the enchantment table, giving us level 30 spells. That's the max, I think. This is the maximum table level. Similarly, if I place it here, the result will be the same. So basically, place about 10 to 15 bookshelves around it and you're set. This has been Valor. Goodbye, everyone.